If you're not using these 5 free AI tools in 2025, you're missing the best of what AI can do right now. Each of these saves serious time, and at least one of them will blow your mind. ChatGPT, free tier. This one's obvious, but here's what people miss. ChatGPT can now access the web, write code, summarize PDFs, and generate workflows, even on the free plan. It's your AI Swiss Army knife. Leonardo.ai Midjourney is cool, but Leonardo is faster, free, and has fine-tuned modes for concept art, game design, and ultra-detailed illustrations. You can even train your own style on it. It's the best visual AI no one's talking about. Opus Clip. This tool takes long YouTube videos or podcasts and cuts them into short viral clips with captions, zooms, and social hooks automatically. What used to take hours of editing now takes one upload. Perplexity.ai, forget Google. Perplexity gives you direct, cited answers to any question, with sources, summaries, and follow-up suggestions. It's like ChatGPT and Google had a smarter baby. Fast, clean, and shockingly useful. Notion AI. Yes, it writes and summarizes, but it can also brainstorm, structure plans, and auto-format your entire workspace. For solo operators and small teams, it's like having a project manager in your pocket. These tools aren't just free, they're insanely powerful. Start using just one today, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Want a deeper demo of any of these? Comment below, and we'll make it happen.